Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TEUM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do that time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the green line down here is coming from. And yeah, that level still pertains. So 410 is that overall area of support. The near-term level of support is that purple line right there, the 50-period moving average, currently valued at $4.30. But the interesting dynamic here, and I should note, I don't want to come across like this is some sort of great discovery on my part or something that nobody else has taken note of. Actually, it's the total opposite. Anybody that uses charts, understands charts, has taken notice of this and is going to be wondering the same thing. And I bring all that up because when a lot of people have noticed the same thing and are all wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can produce some very interesting price dynamics. And the whole dynamic here that has taken shape is during the final 30 minutes of the day right there. You can see a good solid surge in volume. And then the candle right here was able to actually close slightly up above that pink line there, which on my chart is denoting that famous 200-period simple moving average. And you can see several times in the past, this is the exact level that has knocked down the price multiple times before. So the big thing here now going forward, and the question, like I said, not that I've discovered, but a lot of people are wondering is, hey, is this the start of a bigger breakout? Are the bulls getting ready to make a bigger push to the upside? Is that a guaranteed to happen? No, there's no such thing as a guarantee in the market, but it is a very logical question to be asking given how things have reacted. And, you know, there's going to be a lot of people watching, like I said, and wondering the same thing. So in the event this is the start of a bigger breakout, let's talk about a couple of the next potential areas of resistance. If this is the start of a bigger breakout, then, you know, again, no such thing as a guarantee, but it also wouldn't be very shocking at all to see the price potentially get up there to right around the 465 mark. So we'll see if the price can get up there. And if it can and then break above that level, I'm sure I'll be back to update the chart at that point in time. But that is definitely the next overall level where the price very well could be headed, assuming the volume stays not necessarily as high as this, but, you know, the volume's going to need to get some more push through in order to, you know, get continuation. But certainly an interesting setup going forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.